In this video, I will show you how can you add your home address on Google Map. It's very simple. What you have to do, only have to follow my steps. So for adding your home address on your Google Map, you have to go simply on your Google Map. You can see here I am simply on my Google Map. You can see here map. After come here Google Map, you have to simply click here contribution. You can see here contribution. You have to simply click on contribution. After clicking here contribution, you have to simply click here add place. You can see option add place. You have to simply click here add place. After clicking add place, you can see here you have to add here your place name, what you want to add, and you have to select here category, and then you have to provide here address. You can see here icon. You have to click here icon, and then your address will be added here, and then you have to give here top down option. Have to click here top down option, and then you have to click here house, and you have to simply click write here your contact number. If you have any website, you can provide that, and you can add your home photo here, and then you have to click here submit. You can see option submit. After clicking here submit, within 24 hours, if you provide all information correctly, and if Google think the place should add in the Google Map, or the place is important for Google Map, then they will add the place in the Google Map. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.